Anybody who is patient in life will see the benefit. Not those that are on throat will never allow them. Every small thing, they jump here. Every small thing, they jump there. Those of you who have been faithful, who have been committed, remain resolute for the interest of River State. You will always benefit from your father. The only thing you can get is to go and sell your people. You come back empty-handed. Mark it. I was watching television yesterday when they went to Kano to receive Shakara. Fine. I saw one rapist from River State. A rapist from River State. Now, sitting at the back, where he went to join them to receive Shikara. But I asked him, how many people have you made to join your party in your state? You have gone to receive somebody somewhere, but you have not made effort to receive other people to join your own party in your state. You like when food is ready, you go. But you to cook the food, you will not be prepared to cook the food. It's where people have cooked, you go and eat. But you cook your own, you will not cook. As people who want the party to win, or who want their own candidate to win the election, what role are you playing in your state to make sure your party wins the election? How many people have you been able to galvanize, mobilize them, for them to leave the other parties and join your party? That is to show you are committed, you are willing and ready to make your party to win the election. It's not every day you carry your potato stomach, you begin to move with people as a houseboy. But come and give vote in your own state to make your candidate to win the election. It's not to go to Abuja and begin to gossip, say all kinds of things. Come home and mobilize. Let us see the capacity you have. Operation Deliver your polling unit. Operation Deliver your ward. Operation Deliver your local government. That's what politics is all about. It's not following people up and down. When they are stabbing picture, you put your head like this, so they will see you. I've never seen people who think that you can be relevant by following people. Then when they are snapping, you put your head like this. What is your role? How did they treat you? What is your contribution there? Nothing. Anywhere any reverse man, any true reverse man is, you must show that you are important. You must show that you have something to offer. Don't go and begin to do as a houseboy. We are not known to be houseboys. We are not known to be that. So all of you, continue to show that you are not a second-class citizen. Whatever any state or any zone believe that they are, you also say you are. Also say you are.